Jackie Tyson, and as you know, all Jamaicans are multi-talented, multitask, chef, decorator, lifestyle consultant, you name it, I got you. As you know, it's tradition in Jamaica and the rest of the Caribbean. Anywhere you are that you serve up your Christmas ham, if you've had a really good ham, you'd have a bone. And what to do with the bone? We do what is known as your hambone gungo pea soup. Because gungo peas, to us in Jamaica, to the rest of the Caribbean, pigeon peas to some, the green gungo is abundant at this time. So we do a hambone soup. So you keep all the little shavings and cutting and skin and dried up parts of your ham. You get together in a pot and you put your gungo to soak. You can dash in some pig's tail, some salt beef, some turkey neck, whatever, even chicken. You put that down to boil, and once it starts to simmer and get jiggy in that pot, you add some cut up potato, some yam, some sweet potato. You throw in some dasheen, whatever you can find that is ground provision. You make some spinners, you do some pimento, and you make that all come together happily over the flames. There's so many things, but one quick thing, especially now that everybody's at home working, everybody needs to get a pick-me-up meal. So I decided and talked about it with my team and came up with, you simply need 2 eggs, a little butter, some ham shavings, a few slices, chop it up. You put your butter in your pan, you put your ham shavings, crack 2 eggs, quick mix, grate some cheese, your favorite cheese, cheddar, white, mozzarella. Sprinkle it on top just as if you would if you're making an omelette. But what was exciting, I just added the bread right then and there, 2 big slices or whatever the frying pan can hold, and just let it all melt and come together. So it's like having a croque madame in a frying pan. And then I flipped it, so on the top you have like an open face sandwich. And there you go. While you're working, while you're liming, while you just feel hungry and want a full belly, because you know hard bread is a full belly, and I've twisted and taken away the croque monsieur, croque madame, and call it our Jamaican frying pan sandwich with your leftover hams. Thank you so much. Try it. Let me get your feedback. The recipe is on the Observer website and it's on Instagram. Do enjoy. It was great being with you. And Jamaica is the only place it can be 99 degrees in the shade and Christmas just gone.